Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, and much more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.